Honor.
Hello. State your name, date of birth.
Barry Thomas Jordan, 6/15/1964.
Sir, you've been arrested for 2 counts of aggravated assault with serious physical injury, which is a felony 3, 2 counts of endangerment, which is a felony 6, 1 count of failing to stay at the scene of an accident, which on that one I'm not finding probable cause for.
I didn't leave.
Okay, but I did find probable cause for the other 2, and 1 count of manslaughter, which is also a felony 2. I also see that you're on release for another case, and you have another court date coming up in March. Is that correct?
Yes, and I would like to explain that. I'm innocent on that case. I need to be let out on the same bond. I have a piece of property here, which I've lived in off and on for many years, and I have a wealthy friend who can help me do the fix-up so that I can sell it to get the right type of attorney that I need to defend myself on these cases. I will not leave the state. I also feel I have other internal injuries, and they rushed me out of the hospital very fast today. Blood issues, things like that. They gave me medicine and forced me out really quick. I have hand problems from the accident, and I also need to get a Toyota expert and look at the vehicle and the pedal and the floor. Toyota told me that there was no reason to bring the vehicle in, and I think there may need to be a problem. The windows are broken out. There's important paperwork that's going to get raided on. I have ID laying in the car, things like that.
Okay, well, I
need to get to the vehicle.
Okay, so let me tell you a couple things here. Unfortunately, the Arizona State Constitution trumps what you need today, because according to that, if you are on release for a felony, and then you allegedly commit another felony, you become non-bondable. So that means you stay here to your next court date. So I do find that the proof is evident, or the presumption great, that you committed a felony while on release for a felony. And like I said, the Arizona State Constitution requires, it's not an option, but it does require that you stay here. Now you're going to have a court date fairly quickly. So at that point you may be able to ask for a bond.
A bond, or to stay under the same bond if at all possible.
Right, you can talk to your attorney about that. Now, I am appointing an attorney for you for this matter.
Yes, please.
Okay? So you can talk to your attorney about that. And when's his next court date? On the 28th? Okay, so that'll be next Monday. Now, your medical issues. If you feel that you have something going on, then I would like to, it was a bad car accident, so if he needs some sort of medical assistance, maybe make sure that they...
Is there an infirmary here that I could stay in?
There is an infirmary here.
I feel I may need a cast or some other things.
Okay.
I'm having trouble laying down. I don't think I could even get up on a bunk that easily. I can feel my ribs popping inside. I have a lot of, and I think I have some internal bleeding, which I won't go into, but I think I have possibly some problems that I need to get checked out. I don't want to die in a jail.
Okay, well, that's why I want the medics to see you while you're here, and then if you do need to be transferred to the hospital, they can transfer you, okay? Okay, so, and the officers know, and they're very good at following those things up, okay?
Yes.
Your Honor, if I may, this defendant can be absolutely sure his truck will be cared for. It's being impounded as evidence, and will be fully available for any type of expert examination he needs.
Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, sir.
Anything else, sir?
No.
Okay, go ahead.
This hurt really bad.
Okay. Step up to the counter, and then we'll get